Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome back to the spot. Time to kill some boredom. So today, finally, after a week of waiting, my Dremel came in. I broke my craftsman. I was porting ahead, and it just did some crazy fuckery, and it died on me. So my wife actually surprised me with she know I'm cheap, so she said this is the cheapest one she could find with a case. So let's do a review on it. I don't know nothing about it, guys. I just popped it open, just got here. So let's get it. Okay, this is the one that died, my craftsman. But she says she paid less than $23 on Amazon for this thing, guys. So let y'all look at it, see all the fancy. We're gonna open it up. But she know how I am. But one thing is, all of these tools I have, they're like 10 plus years old, got from garage sales and stuff. And they don't have cases. A lot of the tools I have don't have cases. So she got this one because it came with a case. So let's pull her out, let's set you up and get situated. So, typical plastic case. It's a little cheap, but better than nothing. But yeah. Okay, instructions. Let's see all the giblets it gives us. Okay, flat disc grinding. Yeah, the basic giblet kit that you get in every single Dremel kit. So my main thing was really the case. So I got a case, I'm happy with it. So we're gonna check this out. Okay, on off button. Okay, 7 speed. Okay. I do like that. Yeah, that button feels way better. It's a bigger button, so much bigger. Compared to my Craftsman, the button is that little pin, but I like this. Also, I prefer my Craftsman. The power button is in here. That is part of the power. This one, it's separate. Not a big deal, but I do like the fact that looks more stout, feels more sturdy to grip compared to that little rinky-dink thing. And the button, it feels so much sturdier, like it's engaging a lot better. Like this one just felt real janky, and it's because it's only a little slit, like a little keyway in there. Typical, but yeah. Alright, so I went through all of the parts. I am missing the sanding drum that goes for the small bits. It never came. So I have the big one from my old Dremel set, and this is the medium that came with it. Doesn't fit the small bit that it came, nor does it fit the big bit that it came with. It only fit the medium. Stick your fancy little tool it gives you in the hole right here until it locks. It's locked, and then use the fancy little wrench and tighten it up. The arrow, which is pretty cool, tells you which way is to loose. So there's an arrow and that's loose, which is cool, if you ever forget for whatever reason. Alright. Now we're gonna attach this. Yeah, there you go. You just pull out your spindle. You loosen your collar. I took that off because I probably won't be using the Dremel like this anymore. It'll only be with the shaft. And you insert it like you would any bit. hold your button and then tighten her down. There. And then that's it. You take care, man. Alright, there it is. This is as far as I'm gonna go. I could definitely say that thing is legit, guys. For 23 bucks, it's so legit, it's legitimate. Like, yeah. Spot you in the next.